Alright guys, today we're gonna be fixing the Pegasus and the Lamborghini Temerario, both in the front and in the rear. So let's begin with the headlights, which I think don't really feel like a Lamborghini all that much, and they look like the Zentorno. So we're gonna make them edgier, and we're gonna make these disappear. AI is not really AIing today, so never mind. So we're gonna get rid of the light there completely, and we're gonna put kind of a fin in there to just fill up the space. Now we're gonna bring back the actual Lamborghini identity into the headlights, which I think they kind of got rid of because seems like every other car was copying it. But especially with the real Temerario headlights in there, it looks much better than the current version anyway. Then we move to some body adjustments to make it actually get into the Lamborghini shape, kind of making this car look as much as a Huracán as possible without turning it into one. So the headlights are looking great, and so is the car overall, and the front is now done. Let's move to the rear of the car. So here we had a little too much space in the wheels, at least for my liking, so I'm gonna lower that a little bit, and I'm gonna lower the middle section as well, but not as much. Now this exhaust is a little bit too high, so we're gonna lower it. That worked really nicely, and I'm gonna pick this. And after that I generated some lights, which, this looks kind of interesting, but I still kept trying and trying to give it the actual Lambo look until I gave up and just fixed the other parts of the car and left the lights for later. So making this part black I think looks nice and aggressive in the Temerario. And as far as the lights go, I just gave it some Lamborghini lights, but tried to make them not look like another Lamborghini. Kind of looks like a Rimac, but I don't really care honestly. And just like that, we are done. This is the Temerario that we started with, and this is where we're at right now. It looks just like those old posters and notebooks we had of the future Lamborghini when we were kids, and this is how the rear is looking right now. I think both of these look much better than they used to, not only because I made it, but simply because it was lacking Lamborghini identity, just like the M5, which I fixed in this video, which you should watch right now. Or see if you can guess these V12s over here. Anyway, thanks for watching.